Hi, welcome to Teleios Jam 2017. This year's theme is Smart City. It's very similar, of course, to last year's theme of Smart City, Smart Country. We felt we wanted to stay in the same area, but focus a bit more on what it means to develop, think about, consider smart city solutions. So, what's a smart city? For us at Teleios Jam, we are saying smart cities are environments that are deliberately designed to leverage knowledge to proactively make the lives of citizens better. Very broad, and we hope it provides a lot of latitude for consideration to the students who are participating in Teleios Jam this year. So, what's smart city? For us, it involves at least two solutions in technologies below. You could use all four, but we'd say at least get two of them involved. With respect to things like artificial intelligence, it is not always expected that students build their AI rigs from scratch, that you train your own neural network and use machine learning and various forms and models to get it done. You can actually use web services such as Microsoft's Face API that let you actually build solutions incorporating AI without having to start from scratch. So please be advised about that. In terms of reality, pick one. In terms of virtual reality, augmented reality, or mixed reality for your solution. In security, it's pretty broad to just have security there as a technology, but that really means we're allowing a range of consideration. Personal security, home security, national security, cross-border regional security. You're very open in terms of the space you consider and of course the technology supporting that. And finally, sensors here represent those devices that are used to read from the natural environment and provide information to other systems. It can be water sensors, temperature sensors, crowd monitoring, any range of solutions used, cameras, microphones, to provide feedback to your system and let you build these solutions that proactively make the lives of citizens better. So beyond that, we are actually looking to expand what we do at TCJ. So in this regard, there are four more components. The first, B2C, is behind the code, where we have a series of interviews with professional developers, both from Teleios and other TCJ partner companies, about what they actually did to reach where they are right now, guidance and tips in a really accessible format. In addition to that, we want to have training, and we're calling it TCJ training in real life, where we will talk about minimally viable products, test-driven development, and presenting your innovation. These should really fold into what students use to build their solutions in Teleios Jam even this year, but they really set a really good platform for what can be built later on as students engage in this profession if they choose to do so. The Smart City series will allow our sponsors to share on what really Smart City means to them in terms of the products and services they offer to the marketplace. We look forward to see what our sponsors share on this. And of course, there's the Teleios Jam competition. Still 3 stages, the starting off with the challenge, moving into presentation, and then grant submission. For the challenge, like last year, there'll be 3 different locations, 3 different occasions you can go and try your hand at participating. Of course, your best score from each question at each location is used. You don't have to go to all 3 locations, but if it can make your overall score better, then why not? The questions will be 5 and they will be increasing difficulty. But unlike last year, we only allowed individual participation. This year, we're allowing teams to participate in the challenge and using that to contribute to their final score. So we're looking forward to see students come out. Presentation will be a video of the solution that teams record, not the working solution, simply the solution idea that judges can receive and provide feedback on. Then, of course, the remaining time students have to build things is applied to the grant submission, where they build out the idea that they expressed in the presentation phase of Teleios Jam and submit it to us. We look at the code, we look at the implementation choices, and we return with a set of scores. And then, of course, we all celebrate at the TCG Awards. We look forward to celebrating with our teams, with our lecturers, with our sponsors, what students have built, what they spend their time focusing on. Over the years, we've had a lot of fun seeing these students and understanding their struggles and what they present to us, and we expect this year to be no different. And so that's it for Teleios Code Jam 2017, Smart City. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via our website, via Facebook or Twitter, or even our email address, which is codejam@teleios-systems.com.